Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on the application of Pokemon Go. If we go to settings, in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we will search about Pokemon Go and we click. Then here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your